Yeah. What is it? What is it?
Your blood clot.
Lord God. I be sitting there going. Lord God.
So why you take off your
Yeah.
shirt? I will take off by myself. Why you take off your shirt?
Yeah.
Stop,
Mm.
okay?
No.
Okay.
Why you take off?
How dare
Sure.
Don't worry about for me.
Who's work? You're somebody work. Yeah, you're at the south. Who's your auntie back or somebody back? You know?
The person back is having answers and never care about.
This is that your auntie back.
She buy something safe in my side.
No, sir.
Anyway, exactly.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, God.
Come on, take it come on.
Yeah. No, man. Yeah.
You buy bun?
Yeah.
You buy bun?
Yeah. Buy bun
You buy chicken?
and cheese. Alright. Yeah, man. Yo.
Yeah, everybody knows.
Yo. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man.
You tell him bring the back.
Yeah.
You didn't tell him bring the back. So why did you tell him
Alright.
Well, he stated it. He didn't say that.
Mm.
You can bring back one, you know,
He said the people going bring the stand there, man.
Ah, God. Be sitting there going, brother. Yeah, man.
One more man, they are pointing a blood clot.
Be things are going.
I want just no food.
Alright. Yeah, man.
That is your auntie back. Why you take up the back? You know what you get your auntie back? You just know your auntie back.
Rasta. Be a Rastafari.